Took me like more than 2 hours to leave my bed. So what I want to do for the rest of my life, walk around beautiful places and film using my camera and my drone. Let's do this. I slowly should look for a job or something like that to make money, to travel even more. First stop, it's a beautiful small village. Houses like this one, bam. Behind me, the small church. Every town, small village in Poland has a church. Can't sit in my home to watch YouTube. It slowly destroys me. That's the castle, but I cannot go there. They are like building something. It was completely destroyed. Let me find a place. Put my drone. Now I should have a wireless microphone. Let's say something smart. Let's record a cinematic sequence, me walking. Beautiful small village. I started publishing here every day, January 1st. Soon we're gonna have 1 year anniversary. La la la. I love this winter. I love YouTube now. Oh, you remember this winter in 2023? Yes, we can check out film everyday video on YouTube. I arrived. Let's fly. I'm gonna ask God for more subscribers, okay? Let's go. Now, I think lake. Drone, power bank, that's all you need. You don't need extra batteries. Change the play, recharge your drone. I have some problems with drone. It's like camera is shaky when I stop or go down. Still one like replacement DJI care. What's wrong with you, gimbal? Forgot how fast this. Enough this. I'm freezing. I think even too much drone shots. People don't care. Almost 1 year of filming every day. I see small improvement, but I should make a topic of this video. I don't know what should be today's topic. Just me and my drone and exploring Poland. Oh, that's better than some like yesterday average day. Golf 6, great car. Okay, see you on my home probably. Tomorrow maybe Kraków again. Just love this town. Looks so beautiful in winter. I want to film drone shots, now I need to pay. Let's go for a hike. I'm at the top of the mountain. See you downstairs.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not.
That's a donut that we eat in Poland.
The Christmas tree's on fire.